Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good
Fine,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Fine,
morning.
ma'am.
How are
We
you
are
all?
fine. We are fine. Fine,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. Very good. So, are you all excited for today's activity?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Today
ma'am.
is today is doodle art. Today is doodle art. Anyone knows what is the meaning of doodle art? What is doodle art?
Ma'am, I know. It's like small. It's like small things inside of a big picture.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And what?
ma'am, can I?
Someone else?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, doodle art is one way to draw beautiful and original designs.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
doodle art
doodle,
shapes.
Okay.
ma'am, doodle is kind of a drawing where you can draw like a jungle of designs.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
doodle is
Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. I will explain you. Basically, doodling. Can I explain? Yes. Basically, doodling means to specify something. Hmm. We are not going to fill the entire paper with the colors. We are not going to color it. We are giving a specific message into our drawing by drawing the things. Okay. जैसे मैंने मुझे मदर्स डे के लिए कुछ स्पेसिफाई करना है तो व्हाट आई विल डू आई विल ड्रॉ समथिंग इन बिटवीन ऑफ द पेपर and side mein I will write a lot of messages and the messages how I want to convey. If I want to draw, I will draw small pictures and I will write a lot that how I want to convey. So this is called as doodle art. To specify a particular point through your drawing. To specify a particular thing through your drawing. Okay? So same material as yesterday, sketch pen set, your regular stationery, pencil, erasers, sharpener, scale, then crayons, wax crayons, oil pastel crayons, pencil colors will do, no problem. Okay, A4 size paper or drawing book, A3 size paper or drawing book. A5, A6 also will do, absolutely no problem. A4, A5, A6, 1 centimeter border from all the four sides. Okay. A3 size in drawing book or drawing paper, both 2 centimeter border from all the four sides. Kindly draw the border. I give you 2 minutes time. Draw the border, then we will start the topic. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कितने सेंटीमीटर का बॉर्डर ड्रॉ करना है
आपका पेपर कितना कौन सा साइज का है
A4 साइज
हाँ तो A4 है तो 1 सेंटीमीटर
ओके
yes I'm just placing my mobile so that you'll be able to see my drawing sheet okay
मैम we can make anything
नो 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 मैं टॉपिक करेंगे हम साथ में करेंगे सब अभी के लिए सिर्फ बॉर्डर बनाओ
Ma'am, do we have to keep it sleeping or standing?
We will keep it sleeping. Landscape.
Okay.
Horizontal, yes. और जो भी मैं बीच में बनाने बोलूंगी ना, एप्रोप्रिएट ऐसा बनाना कि एकदम बीचों बीच आना चाहिए, उसके चारों साइड जगह रहनी चाहिए.
Ma'am, do we need to make it on landscape?
हाँ, लैंडस्केप में. आई एम ऑल्सो ड्रॉइंग द बॉर्डर. गिव मी अ मिनट. Okay, so firstly draw the borders on all the four sides. Are you all liking the activities which we are doing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. And are you all even reading the books?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good,
Ma'am.
very good, very good. Are you all seeing much of TV or less of TV?
Less of TV. Less of TV.
Yes, very good,
Less of TV.
very good.
I am done.
Yes, kindly wait.
Ma'am, less TV.
Okay, kindly wait.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, kindly wait, huh, bacha?
Ma'am, we have to sketch the borders.
अभी मत करना. To avoid the confusion, I'm just writing here top, here bottom. So I will be placing my paper reverse.
वो भी लिखना है.
नहीं, आपको थोड़ी लिखना है, मैं उल्टा ड्राइंग बना रही हूँ ना, तो मैं लिख रही हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को समझ में आए. ओके.
Ma'am, you make the drawing ulta.
हाँ, मैं उल्टा बनाऊंगी. So, okay, you know what? We'll be making a surprise today. So, this drawing now, you can preserve it. Huh? When is Father's Day coming? Do you all know?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. 20 June.
Yes. So, can we draw a Father's Day
20
doodle?
Yes.
Yes. And you can gift it to your dad, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I will gift it to my father.
Yes. Very good.
We have to draw with pencil.
You have to draw first with pencil. Then you will sketch it with your sketch pen. ओके,
मैम
तो
पेंसिल से बना के मैम फिर उसको स्केच पेन करना है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
Excuse me, ma'am.
फर्स्ट, यस, कोई कुछ बोला? इज एनीवन सेइंग समथिंग?
Excuse me, ma'am. Actually, my sketch pen tip is really like fat. So, ma'am, can I use black pen?
यस, बट पहले आपको बच्चा पेंसिल से बनाना है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, yesterday I also
But we have to sketch
used
the
black
board.
pen only.
ओके, तो आई विल शो
Do we
यू
have
हाउ टू
to
ड्रॉ.
sketch the borders?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अभी नहीं करना है बेटा स्केच, अभी बॉर्डर स्केच नहीं करना है, जब बोलूंगी तब करना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ अ यू. ये बीचों बीच एकदम सेंटर में आएगा ये पार्ट.
I'm in the center of the paper.
यस, दिस, ये बोथ है. वी विल ड्रॉ अ फादर एंड अ चाइल्ड. तो ये बोथ है, दोनों है. तो ये एकदम सेंटर में आएगा फर्स्ट. देन ड्रॉ सम zigzag lines and then draw a curve.
Excuse me, ma'am.
मैं उल्टा बना रही हूँ बच्चा लोग, आप लोग को सीधा बनाना है.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, is it an egg?
Then ears. We'll do simple figure, don't worry. कि सब एज के बच्चों को आएगा ये बराबर. Okay? Because here there are even small child, there is even small child, there is even big child. तो मैं ऐसा ड्राइंग बना रही हूँ कि ये सब एज के बच्चों को आए. Okay, draw eyes, nose, mouth. देन यहाँ से कर्व लाइंस करके नेक का पार्ट.
Ma'am, please go slow.
ओके.
Ma'am, you can check mine is correct.
हाँ, यस. अभी बीच बीच में मत बताओ बच्चा लोग, पहले हम ड्रॉ कर लें. Draw a curve like this. Draw a curve like this.
Ma'am, this is not doodle art.
What?
This is not doodle art.
We are going to do doodling only.
Ma'am, doodle art is something kind of different art where we merge so many shapes together to make one theme.
Ma'am, it's a funny drawing, doodle art.
Ma'am, doodle art in
Now,
doodle art is doodle.
kindly see, there are the ways which we can doodle. Okay, I will show you one doodle which I had done in the camp for Mother's Day. Just a second.
Ma'am, doodle art is basically like a funny drawing which you fill with many designs. Ma'am,
Yeah, just a second.
ma'am, doodle art is a funny drawing of many filled designs. This is not doodle art. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, doodle art is a funny drawing of many filled designs. This is not
yes. So we are going to draw that only. Don't worry. We are going to draw that only. But before we want to represent what we are going to doodle about it.
है थोड़ा बहुत
Okay. This is the hand. Only one finger like this. Okay. Then,
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
yes.
Ma'am, please go slow.
Are I am going very much slow, beta. Have you all done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, Sita karo. And your screen is rectangle, like we
Yes,
cannot
yes.
understand.
2 minutes, 2 minutes, because I'm writing something.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम हेलो
Yes.
मैम मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा था तो थोड़ा सा वेट करेंगे ऐसा ही सेम पिक्चर बनाना है ना मैम
हाँ, सेम यही कॉपी करना है.
ओके थैंक यू मैम
Here I have written love. So you can write in your manner, okay?
मैम हम अपने तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ. Okay, for the ones who were saying that this is not a doodle art. So I come to your point. We are not going to only write and do doodle. We are going to draw also, and then we are going to write. Okay? See,
So
whenever we
ma'am,
are
in doodle we never
representing,
write. There are
we
drawings only, but of very different symbols and different drawings.
whenever we, see, there are many types of doodle art. There is not only one type of doodle art. We are specifically doing it for what? For Father's Day. So we have to draw also and we have to write also. Okay, here I have written love you.
ये अच्छे से ही नहीं बना पा रही हो
क्यों अच्छे से नहीं बना पा रही? क्यों अच्छे से क्यों नहीं बना पा रही?
क्योंकि आपका ई देख के मुझे बहुत कंफ्यूज
अरे मेरे जैसा मत बनाओ ना, आप कैसा एबीसीडी लिखते हो आप वैसा बनाओ। आप एबीसीडी, आपको एबीसीडी तो आता है ना बच्चा लिखने को? बच्चा एबीसीडी का गाना नहीं गाने बोला मैंने बच्चा। Okay, I call my dad Papa. You can write love you dad also, love you. I have written love you Papa because I call my dad as Papa. You can either write dad also.
Ma'am, my drawing. I have written Papa. I call Papa. Done, ma'am.
Ulta triangle.
Ma'am,
And
let me
take two
see the
slanting lines on the opposite side. Basically, ulta kite. उल्टा काइट
मैम
टाई
ये तो
बनाया मैंने, टाई।
टाई हो गई।
हाँ टाई। भव्या,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Now I get it.
We are going to draw here and we are going to write here. Okay? There are many types of doodle art. We do, mandala design का भी doodle art होता है. There are many types of doodle art which has come these days.
Yes, ma'am. I also do mandala arts also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
The design which you are talking, that might be mandala art only.
Ma'am, I can draw the heart. Ma'am, see my tie. I can make like this only.
काइट आता है ना बनाने को, काइट। काइट की जैसा काइट। आप ऐसा देखोगे तो देखो
I
काइट
can
है।
draw the heart.
ये देखो, ये काइट दिख रहा है।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उल्टा काइट बनाना है।
Ma'am, I can draw the heart. Ma'am, I can draw the heart.
हाँ, wait, we will draw, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, here, slanting, हाँ, जो मैं अभी बना रही हूँ ना, वो slanting, हाँ. क्राउन बना रहे हैं हम लोग, क्राउन. And then double this line. नीचे और स्टैंडिंग लाइन लेकर के डबल दिस लाइन.
Ma'am, do you know I also in habit of writing poems. So, ma'am, when I write my first poem, so ma'am, it was on Father's Day only.
What you have a habit of writing? Poem.
Poems.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, one of them I have write on Father's Day.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now draw a U. कब कब बना रहे हैं हम लोग? Trophy, I can say. Cup नहीं, trophy will be the better word.
मैम इसकी दूसरी साइड बना दो मैम, ये ट्रॉफी बन जाएगी.
हाँ, ट्रॉफी बना दे हम.
वैसे मेरे पापा ने भी ट्रॉफी नहीं जीती है.
क्या?
वैसे
क्या
मेरे
हुआ?
पापा ने मैम वैसे मेरे पापा ने तो एक भी ट्रॉफी नहीं जीती है.
नहीं जीती है ना, इसके लिए आप उनको पेपर पे बना के दे रहे हो. आपको पता है आपके पापा ने कितनी बड़ी ट्रॉफी जीती है? दे आर वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट ओनली टू गिव यू अ बेटर लाइफ. ये सबसे बड़ा ट्रॉफी है.
तो वो तो बस शांति का.
ये सबसे बड़ा ट्रॉफी है कि नहीं? पापा काम करते हैं तभी आज हम ऐसे अच्छे से घर में बैठे हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ये
Ma'am, mom and dad are both important. If mom is not there, who will cook and feed you? If dad is not there, who will work for you?
Yes.
Ma'am, doesn't mom can only cook, father can also cook, and it doesn't
Yes.
important that
See,
father
in
will only,
some
or mother can also.
see in some homes na, in some homes na, it is like mother is only cooking. So some homes, my home also, I am only cooking because I know the opposite partner. I mean, my daughter's father. He is working day and night, so we can't disturb them. So we have to understand them also. And in some places, in some homes, both the parents work simultaneously at home also and outside also. So it is not a problem. End of the day, you are happy. That is what your mom and dad are working for. Whether it might be in home, whether it might be outside home.
मैम बस इतना ही बनाना है.
नहीं बच्चा और भी बनाना है.
ओके मैम.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we can color. Ma'am, we can color now.
नहीं नहीं बच्चा रुको रुको. Kindly wait, huh?
Ma'am, that the boy we have made, we will make the legs also of his leg also.
Yes, now we are going to draw a medal. Huh? I am slow only. I am waiting so much.
Your screen is blur.
My screen is not blurred. Vidhi, is my screen blurred?
No, mom, your
No,
screen is
ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
So
clear.
now, anything take circular. Draw a circle first. Then draw curves on the circle.
Ma'am, you're making a flower.
No, we are making a batch, a medal batch.
Ma'am, your screen is triangle.
I have written you are number one. Should I write in the chat box also what I am writing? Now here we can draw a heart. I have drawn a heart in a design pattern. You all can simply draw heart all the same like me as you wish.
मैम आपका बैच नहीं दिख रहा मुझे.
Yes, kindly wait. हार्ट के अंदर मैंने क्या लिखा है मैं बताती हूँ. चैट बॉक्स में लिख रही हूँ. It is no one can replace you.
Ma'am, what you have written?
See, I have written in the chat box. No one can replace you.
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
हार्ट आपने हार्ट के अंदर क्या लिखा है?
No one can replace you. मैंने चैट बॉक्स में भी लिखा है.
Ma'am, after heart I don't have any more space to draw
हाँ?
anything. Ma'am, after heart I don't have any more place to draw or write anything.
ऊपर.
Yes, ma'am. On the top I have place.
Okay.
मैम हार्ट में अपनी मर्जी से भी लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ?
हार्ट में अपन अपनी मर्जी से भी लिख सकते हैं.
If you want, you can write it on your wish also.
Teacher, can we make flowers?
Yes, you can.
मैम व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग दिस लिखने की जगह नहीं है.
गो बनाया है और उस पे लिखा है बेस्ट डैड.
बट मेरे पास यू क्या है?
ये बहुत छोटा सा ही है. कहीं पे भी जगह ढूंढ के बना सकते हो. बहुत छोटा है देखो.
ओके बट मैम हमारा हार्ट बहुत छोटा है तो मेरे पास.
हार्ट के बाहर लिख दो.
ओके यू.
ये हो जाएगा तो यू कैन स्केच इट विथ योर ब्लैक स्केच पेन.
मैम मैं थोड़ी सी और टोटल्स कर सकती हूँ अपने मन की?
Yes, you can.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, I'm done sketching.
Ma'am, I'm done sketching because I was drawing with a black pen only.
Ma'am, do we have to sketch the borders too?
Yes, you can sketch the borders too, and color भी you can do on your own. आपके मन का जो कलर है ना वो कर सकते हो आप. ओके. Yes, someone is saying क्या मैम मैम.
चैट बॉक्स में नहीं दिख रहा, हार्ट के अंदर क्या लिखा है आपने?
लिखा है ना, नो वन कैन रिप्लेस यू.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, I am sketching the border.
बच्चा कलरिंग कर सकते हो आप लोग अपने मन से. ये वाला ड्राइंग आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कलर एंड शो इट टू यू. आई वांट योर क्रिएटिविटी टू कम आउट. ओके.
Ma'am, we can draw the legs.
क्या?
Ma'am, we can draw the legs.
If you want you can.
Okay.
ओके. ये वाला ड्राइंग को आई वांट यू ऑल टू कलर ऑन योर ओन एंड शो इट टू मी. आई वांट योर क्रिएटिविटी.
Ma'am, I'm adding some more doodle in my art.
Yes, if you have space on your paper, you can add.
Ma'am, I have only had two, three flowers and Happy Father's Day.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, start, ma'am. Let's start cutting, ma'am. Ma'am, what you are doing means writing.
Ma'am, from B we can write determined.
Ma'am, what you have write?
Ma'am, can you do a
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
I'm sorry. I have written dedicated and devoted. You have to color it as per your wish. Do not fill the paper with entire coloring. Color only the important specific parts. And I want your creativity to come out. So color combination, color choice, it will be yours. Okay, बच्चा लोग?
Ma'am, I don't have black sketch pen.
Sketch it with your black pen or marker.
Okay, ma'am.
रुचि पलट क्या हुआ? कुछ डाउट है बच्चा?
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ डाउट है क्या?
No, ma'am.
ओके. विहान सरोज कुछ डाउट है?
I have doubt.
No, ma'am.
नियाना कलरेजा कुछ डाउट है?
नहीं टीचर, जो मैं बोला था ना फ्लावर्स का, वो वाला डाउट था.
ओके ओके. प्रशांत शुक्ला कोई डाउट है?
Yes, ma'am.
सब लोग अभी अपने पापा से छुपा के रखना. पापा को सरप्राइज देना ये.
Ma'am, I've completed mine. Can I show you and leave?
कलर कर दिया है?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ बच्चा.
See.
बेटा.
Is it good?
Wait, show again.
Ma'am,
Show
see.
again. Yes, very good, very good.
Ma'am, can I leave?
You want
Ma'am,
to go somewhere?
Ma'am, can I leave?
You want to go somewhere?
No, ma'am. I'm just asking.
No, let it
Ma'am.
be. You be here only.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
आपने जो ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
मैंने जो ऊपर लिखा है वो मैंने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है बच्चा. डेडिकेटेड एंड डिवोटेड.
वो नहीं, जो बैनर बना उसमें.
किसमें? इसमें?
हाँ.
बेस्ट डैड.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, I have done 10. Can I color?
हाँ, yes, you can color बच्चा.
Ma'am, we have to color with oil pastel, wax crayons.
आपको वैक्स क्रेयॉन, ऑयल पेस्टल, कलर पेंसिल, स्केच पेन, जिससे कलर करना है करो, अपना क्रिएटिविटी दिखाओ.
मैम जो डैड का ए है तो मैम ए से अचीवर लिख सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, you can.
Miss, can you show the upper part?
Mom, I have not tried that. That you write DAD dad. I have not tried that because I don't have place to write.
Ma'am, and I even have got an idea.
What happened?
Ma'am, I've got an idea of doing
Yes.
something.
Yes. What idea you got?
Ma'am, the
मैम हम पेंसिल कलर से कलर कर सकते हैं.
बेटा आपको जिससे भी कलर करना है आप कर सकते हो.
मैम कैन यू शो योर पेपर?
मैम आपने कहा था आपने एक मदर्स डे पे भी बनाया, मैम वो वाला दिखा दीजिए.
वेट आई एम मैं शेयर करती हूँ स्क्रीन. वो मैंने मेरी मम्मा को गिफ्ट कर दिया था तो आई वाज सर्चिंग वो पेपर मिल नहीं रहा है. जस्ट अ सेकंड मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करके बताती हूँ कि वो क्या था.
मदर डे आएगा.
मदर्स डे गया बच्चा.
Mom, what color to do the trophy and the medal?
Any color whatever you wish. You can do
Yellow.
golden, silver also, yellow
मैम
also.
गोल्डन would look better, I think so.
which color we can do a crown? I was thinking that only. Ma'am, I've done everything. What should I do now?
कौन बोला?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, just a second. Wait. I will be showing that picture. Mother's Day wala. Give me a minute.
मम्मी ये क्या? Ma'am, what happened?
एक minute. I am showing the picture of Mother's Day. What I did doodling.
So you were telling, shall we draw that?
नहीं. I am just showing you all.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can I show my mother's card?
Yes.
सोने के टाइम पापा को दिखाना है. Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
I have not shared yet. Kindly wait. Mridu Sinha, any doubt?
होगा. हाँ, मम्मी को करेंगे पापा को हमारी.
Are you able to see the screen?
Ma'am, yours,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
yours make it so beautiful.
वो आप मुझे पिन मत करो. देखो आपको दिखेगा. Don't pin me. Then you will be seen.
Ma'am, your card is so beautiful.
Yes. This was the Mother's Day doodle.
Ma'am, wait 1 minute.
Ma'am, it is very beautiful.
Teacher.
हाँ बच्चा.
It's very beautiful. Ma'am, I cannot see your screen, so you can send it.
Wait. सब लोग मुझे अनपिन कर दो तो दिखेगा. मुझे रुचिता मोटा को अनपिन कर दो पहले 2 मिनट के लिए.
And then
अनपिन कर दो मुझे.
can I?
अनपिन नहीं.
Ma'am, I unpinned you. Now you can show your screen. I unpinned you. I unpinned you. Now you can show.
Ma'am, I have done.
दिख रहा है?
Ma'am, I have done coloring also.
Okay.
Now can I cut? Ma'am, it is very beautiful. Ma'am, can you show all the slides? Ma'am, can you show all the slides?
All these slides means.
Ma'am, I have done coloring also.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
show
is
me.
nice.
Show me if you are done coloring. Show me.
I'm
Yes.
showing
Ma'am,
my.
see mine.
Very good.
Ma'am, see mine. Ma'am, can you see mine? Is it good?
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Mridu sir.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show Mother's Day card?
It was not a card, it was doodle.
Yes, ma'am. Doodle.
कार्ड भी था ना कार्ड कहाँ है मदर्स डे में इसमें तो दे नहीं भाई
Ma'am, can I show you?
what
Ma'am, see my Rajveer.
see this was a last year holy doodle
Ma'am, on next Holy and next Mother's Day, you can teach us this also. It is nice.
Ma'am, see
I will teach you
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, see my Rajveer. Ma'am, I'm done.
yes very good
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome
ma'am, can I show you?
yes we will do so very good
Ma'am, can I leave?
yes
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am.
bye
Bye, ma'am.
Teacher,
yes
see my.
very good bye बच्चा
Ma'am, see my. Ma'am, see my.
See, there was even a card which I did in one of the camp for the Mother's Day.
Miss, can you keep showing it?
This card,
Yes, miss.
this was one of the cards also which we did on the Mother's Day in one of my camp only.
Ma'am. Hello.
Yes,
Can you see my? Ma'am, I'm finished.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am finished. Can you see
आपने
mine?
बाकी का क्यों नहीं किया अभियान?
Ma'am, Atharva is finished.
Doing that.
Okay, do it. Bhageshri Gyani, very good.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. इसको कलर करके दो। यही करेगी तो यही कर। क्रेयॉन से कलर कर इसको। ये तेरा कलर। Okay, all of you done? All of you done?
No, ma'am. I'm still on the phone. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Show me.
Miss, can I
Very
do
good,
more
Vihan.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, very good, Vihan.
Miss, can I color the background?
No, background को कलर नहीं करना है बच्चा. Very good, Suchita Bedi.
See, ma'am. Ma'am, see mine.
Yes, Suchita Bedi, very good.
I made
Sangeeta
dumbbells.
Uttamani, Sangeeta Uttamani, very good.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
Sushant Chandra.
very good. Sushant Chandak, very good.
Thank you.
You all are enjoying?
Yes, ma'am. इसके अंदर भी तो
Very good.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Mommy, अच्छा ये
हुआ चेक करा मेरे को ये चाय का
यस, कौन बोल रहा है? वेरी गुड बच्चा, वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
चाय भी मैंने बनाई.
वेरी गुड.
मम्मी इसको आप काट
बोलो थैंक यू.
थैंक यू
हाँ,
मैम.
उसको छुपा दो, पापा को मत दिखाना अभी से.
ओके.
ओके. अब हम मैं स्कूल अब मैं
अब इसमें पापा के लिए आपको कुछ और ऐड करना हो तो वो और ऐड कर लो. आपने चाय बनाई ना, आपको पापा को चाय पसंद है तो आपको कुछ और ऐड करना हो तो वो भी ऐड करो, है ना.
ठीक है.
Yes, you can even add more if you have space. Very good, Mayank Chandak. Why didn't you color it? You are on mute. You are on mute.
तो ब्लैक
अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है. अनम्यूट अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो रीजॉइन कर लो बच्चा.
मैम
Ma'am, see
टाइपिंग कौन
mine.
सा कलर होता है?
Very good.
Ma'am, see mine.
Yes, Vidya Agarwal. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Adya, are you done?
Ma'am, I'm just coloring.
Okay. Deepika Mande, are you done?
Hello, can you hear me?
Ah, I can hear you now.
Ma'am, I will color it now.
Okay. यू कैन इवन ड्रॉ. जगह है ना तो आप अपने खुद के मनपसंद चीजें, जैसे आपके पापा को क्या क्या पसंद है. हाँ, अभी आई विल ऑल्सो सीक आउट सम प्लेस एंड आई विल ड्रॉ. माई डैड लव्स मिसल पाव, सो आई विल ड्रॉ दैट. राइट. सो ऐसा आपके पापा को क्या क्या खाने में पसंद है वो भी आप बना सकते हो. भव्या डन.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm just doing coloring.
ओके.
And ma'am, only 2, 3 figures are left to color.
ओके बच्चा.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, I can show my drawing.
Yes, show me. Wow, very nice, very nice. Very good.
Mom, I'm
Thank
done.
you,
Mom,
ma'am.
can I show?
Yes, Adya, show.
Yes, mom. And can
Wow, very nice. Very good.
Mom, I'm thinking that I'll add more after.
Yes, yes, definitely. If you're having space, you can add more.
Okay, mom. Bye, mom.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Welcome.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Mom, I'm done. I can leave. Mom,
Yes, show
I'm
me.
done. I can leave.
Show me. ओके
Ma'am,
हाँ
I'm
आपने
showing
दिखा
you.
दिया हाँ 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 ओके यू
Bye,
कैन
ma'am.
बाय
आवाज दे
मैम मेरा हो गया
मैं कर रही हूँ ना यू आर डूइंग ना
अरे कलर दैट हाँ कलर दैट
आई एम डूइंग से
यस आई एम डूइंग
यस यस डू इट Okay, everyone, can you show it in the group by clicking a photo after coloring?
यस मैम
Yes. Bye, everyone.
बाय मैम
Miss, can you see my
Bye.
miss?
Yes, very good, very
I
good. You
colored
have
the
done in the
background.
yellow paper or you colored the background?
I colored the background with smudging oil pastels.
Okay, actually, ठीक है, it's okay, it's looking good. Okay, bye.
Bye, miss.